I'm Megan with WTI. We just got this new porch light and we are so happy with it.
I love the simple and elegant design of this. It's like a wall sconce. It's in a matte black and it comes with clear glass enclosure. It lights up really nicely at night, and of course I love that you can choose whatever light bulb you want for the effect that you're trying to achieve. My favorite feature is that it has a GFCI outlet attached to it underneath. We actually use this often with an extension cord so that we can vacuum our car, which is so convenient. But you can use it for any sort of power tool outside, or if you're hanging lights on your home, it would be a great outlet to use as well. The porch light also was super easy to install. It only took my husband about 10 to 15 minutes to put up.
So not only is this porch light simple and elegant in its design, but I just love the fact that it also has the outlet plug. It is so convenient, and that's my point of view.